Hi guys, it's Alexis here, and instead of trolls, because not in necessarily my video, but people where I live have seen my videos, and they said, you suck, you don't even post videos, so that got me down for a long time. But instead of being the Grinch, I am now going to start posting videos, and you know what? If you comment below being like, oh, you should never do videos and stuff, there's a door and you can walk right out of there and leave your phone behind, because I'm putting up with this. Sorry. So today I'm gonna attempt doing the slime, and let's see if it works. So I said I need 1 cup of flour, which is a lot of flour if you ask me. I do my famous eggs with flour. Mexican eggs. Kidding. They're just flour eggs. I'm dropping so much flour right now, you don't even know. I can't even. Okay, 1 cup. Down it goes. That's it. So I said 1 cup of laundry detergent. Oh, that's a mess. If you don't know how much mess I made, this is how much mess I made. God. Okay, I'll be right back, and I'll go get the laundry detergent, okay? Okay, I got the laundry detergent. Let me just say right now, this is a lot of flour and laundry detergent, and I feel like my mom's gonna get mad at me. So let me pour that in. Ugh, yuck. It looks nasty already. Let me go wash this off real quick. Okay, I washed it off. Here it is. And it says to put a little bit of water. Oh, I'm just gonna add the whole thing. A little bit more. And stir it like your life depends on it. Where the heck did I put my fork? Got it. I wasn't really prepared of this. Oh, yuck. This looks disgusting already. As you could tell, I'm not a huge fan of slime. I mean, I am. As long as it's actual slime that I buy from the store and it's in little containers. That's all. Which I do not know where I'm gonna put this. My mom will probably be like, what were you doing here? I'm just gonna tell her that I was making watery slime. Because if you see this isn't even slime. This is, I don't know what this is. It smells good though. Yum. And I know I'm kind of quiet right now. That's because it's night. Not much. But yeah. It is night outside. And I don't know if you could hear this or not. Watch. But you could hear crickets. But yeah. So I attempted to do the slime thing. And apparently it doesn't work. Well, unless it's supposed to be like this, then hooray. But I think it's because I have a lot of flour stuck to the phone. Oh my god, this is like... Okay, I can see the slimy consistency. I feel like it needs a little bit more flour. Whatever, I'm gonna take my own matters into my own hands now. I'll put more flour. I put a little bit more. Well, not really actually. Tablespoon. I'll put 2 more tablespoons of flour. And just put that in there and flour just pops up. Oh my god. If you were here right now and if you would have seen how much flour I had before I started this and how much flour I have now, you would freak out. Well, my mom would. So I'm just mixing it a little bit more. 2 more tablespoons. It still smells good. I like the smell of it. It smells like soap. I like smell soap. Okay, I can see how it's slimy now. It's more like a liquidy still. You can't grab it. You can't like grab it and stretch it and stuff. You can't do that. I officially call this a do not do this or else your mom's gonna get mad project. You said that if you add like food dye it would be better, and I don't know, I'm just like doing my own stuff now. Oh, I accidentally added purple, dang it. Don't get me wrong, I like purple, but I like red. Oh, the red was like right next to me. Look at how much red I have left. I wouldn't even have enough to do for this. Whatever. As you can see, it's only the top portion. It makes it cool to send it. You can see my phone right there. I'm so funny. For me, not for other people. I don't care. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I like the liquidy, and the smell of it. But if you want to play like with something liquidy in a Ziploc bag, there you go. Get it. Do it. It's awesome. But if you want something real, go buy it from the store. Real slime, go buy it from the store. I'm not even kidding when I say it's like $1 at like Walmart. So I don't know why kids need to go like this far. Yes, I'm a kid, but I don't do this a lot. I experiment a lot, but not with slime. I don't know why kids need to go this far when they could just tell their mom, hey, can you give me some slime? If they say no, then wait until you go to the store, then pick them. That's what I do. I feel like this is like glazed for donuts. Ugh. Yuck. So that's all for today. And this is so disgusting. That's all for today. I am gonna start putting this in a Ziploc bag, and I hope this doesn't like ruin anything. Because you can see, I have a cloth under. It's not mine. My mom. And I do not want to get in deep trouble. I'm gonna keep adding flour until it gets like the consistency that I want it to. Don't judge me. So yeah, that is all. I hope you like this video. Please smack that thumbs up down below. Subscribe, comment. If you can, comment and tell me, what do you guys want me to do? I'm gonna try to post every Sunday. Every Sunday and Friday. Yeah. So yeah, like, I'm like out of ideas of what to do. I'm just like searching through the internet, just being like, oh, I should do this for my channel. No, wait, I should do this. Oh, wait, that looks like too much trouble, but I'm still gonna do it. So please, if you want, please comment below. Tell me what to do. I'll like go so far that I'll buy stuff from eBay just to do it. So, thank you. That was mine. That was me trying to do the slime thing, and it did not work. It was all watery and yucky and ew. Ew. But whatever. I'll see you next Friday. Bye-bye.